Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and turn on your notification button to see
Skin Protector from LOVEBEAUTYHARPRODUCT on Instagram.
Step-by-step process.
The product is to protect your skin from being hurt by the hair product.
Adhesive frontal glue.
The first one to apply is the adhesive lace frontal glue from Love Beauty. You can Google or check them out on Instagram.
Start applying it around the front hairline. Allow it to dry until it becomes clear. Becomes transparent. You won't see the white particles before you start laying in your frontal. But first of all, we have to wear the bar cap. Color the bar cap to her skin color, just as you've seen now. Tie it down, cut out, make space from the ears, and then afterwards apply the frontal adhesive again, and then allow it dry up very well. When it's properly dried, you can now lay your frontal. Enjoy.
Not trying to be in there, not trying to be cool, just trying to be in there. Tell me how you do. Can you feel where the wind is? Can you feel it through all of the windows inside this room? 'Cause I wanna touch you, baby, and I wanna feel you too. I wanna see the sunrise from your senses, me and you. Light it up on the road. Let's make love tonight. Make it up, fall in love.
Tinting mousse from Love Beauty Hair Products.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for participating. Drop your comments down on the comment section. Ask your questions. I'll respond to it swiftly. And then please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Encourage us by turning up your notifications. That whenever we will post a content as beautiful and as important as this, you get to get the notifications. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. Every part of the world you're coming from, I love you. I appreciate you. God bless you.